Want quick access to your most important contacts on iPhone? Here's how to add and remove favorites easily. First, open the Phone app on your iPhone. At the bottom left, tap on Favorites. To add a new favorite, tap the plus icon at the top. Now, your contacts list will open. Scroll through or search, then tap on the contact you want to add. Next, choose how you want to connect with them. You can select call, message, video, or email. Once you tap an option, the contact is instantly added to your favorites list. Now you can quickly reach them anytime from the Favorites tab. Let's remove a favorite. Go back to the Favorites section. Tap Edit in the top left corner. You'll see a minus icon next to each contact. Tap the minus icon on the contact you want to remove. Then tap Delete to confirm. And just like that, the contact is removed from your favorites. Quick tip is, favorites are also used for quick access in calls and widgets, so keeping this list updated can save you time. And that's how you manage favorite contacts on iPhone.